I can do anything. I can reach any goal today. I can do what I want. I can be what I want to be.
Well, the floor is getting much closer. I'm going ahead and working on it some more today, although I need to stop and work on editing. I was hoping to have my desk in here by now, and obviously it's not. Anyway, went to Lowe's and I got the kind of wire that I'm supposed to be using for this sort of setup, which is the AWG. It's the stranded wire. So I've got it. I'm going to replace the household solid wire in a few minutes. And I'm overcompensating, I'm sure, but I feel so much better about it. So I'm running everything in waterproof flexible conduit. I've already run my 12-volt wiring up underneath here, and it's going into my little power station underneath this thing. And I put these two pieces down. The first piece is 3 foot, and then this was a 6 foot. And I did it on purpose so that I don't have seams in critical areas. So I didn't want any seams across where any of the electrical goes. So I managed to fix that so that won't happen. And then also where my high traffic is. So the 48-inch wide 3/4 inch plywood is where my high traffic area is, of course, and that's where it's going to be, right along here. And this is where, you know, I sit here in my chair at the desk when I'm cooking, when I have a kitchen. So that way these seams will be underneath the cabinets, and then my freshwater tank's going to go under there. It'll be back in the corner and fully insulated, so that'll be nice. So anyway, this is where I'm at right now. I've marked everything for this 6 foot piece, and I'm gonna move it up out of the way, do my insulation here, do my wiring. I'm running my air conditioner through a extension cord so that I can turn off all of my electrical in here and just run my wiring and get that set. Put insulation in here. Then I've got some really good vapor barrier that's going to go between these layers, and I'm going to cut it and put it in. I've got to also make sure that I get my 2 side pieces cut with the appropriate holes where they need to be, which I'm going to do, and hopefully have a correctly wired, well-insulated floor in a little while. So wish me luck, y'all. I need it.